The U.S. does have two powerful cards, the ADR delisting and U.S. investment ban. According to Jefferies analyst Edison Lee, the U.S. reciprocal tariffs are not just about trade, but more about competition between the U.S. and China and making sure the United States wins. And if we become crypto capital of the world and we back stablecoins up with U.S. treasuries, you could see potentially trillions upon trillions come into the U.S. government. Trump knows what he's doing. We need to get these people standing in his way out of the way, because if we do it right, the golden age of America is definitely in front of us. But before that happens, we are going to see some serious fire and why gold and silver will be so valuable to be holding during this time and season.